Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys all having a great time. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use transform with Adobe Illustrator for our shapes. So here, let me draw a shape with Adobe Illustrator so I can show you how we can use. So here is my shape. So two methods available to use a transform for my shape. One is going to be available with the layout. You can see if I select this layout or workspace, maybe you watch our previous tutorial on how we can use the layout and workspace with Adobe Illustrator. So if you selected this layout, this is going to show you this transform, and from here you can transform this shape. And also if you right click on the shape, on the selected shape, you can see we have this transform, which is all these option is going to be available here as well. From here I can do the same thing. If you click on the move, so from here you can see I can move this shape and I can make a copy and I can move it vertically. If you put your cursor on this horizontal or vertical, so you can move your arrow keys to move this shape. So from here transform, I can do X is what's X value. So here if I click or select this X value, if I going to use the arrow keys, it means the X value is going to be start from this to here. So here from left to right and right to left is X value. And what's Y value? Y value is going to be start from the top to the bottom. So from here if I'm going to put my cursor over here and use arrow keys, so you can see this shape is going to the Y value. So X is going to be from left to right and right to left, and Y is going to be from up to bottom and bottom to up. And from here I can change the wide value and the high value. So here let me click on the value, like I want to make this 600 pixel for the wide, and here I'm going to make this 400. So you can see that it's going to take effect. And from here I can rotate this. As I said, you can do the same thing, like if you right click you can go to transform, you can go to transform, and you can do it from this here from this option as well. So here if I am going to rotate this to 120, so I can do. And also let me control the, I can use this share tool. Maybe you watch our tutorials on how we can use these tools. So I'm going to select this 10, so I can put my cursor over here, or I can move this. You can see now this shape is changing. You can use this share tool to to give a shape to your object. So this is how we can use these arrow keys to increase and change the look of our shape. So here if you actually select this one, if you right click, go to transform, you can see we have this scale. But before going to others, like let me describe that how we can use this transform reset bounding box as well. So here you can see that this is now my bounding box is different. So if I want to reset this, you can right click transform, you can reset bounding box. So from here nothing is going to happen. Why? Because we have to make a copy. So here I'm going to make a copy from this shape. I'm going to select both of them and group them. So from here I'm going to actually make a shape like this. So let me actually move this. So here I'm going to add a rotate as well. So now this is my bounding box. You can see we have this bounding box over my shape. So right click on it, go to transform, reset bounding box. It's going to reset your whole bounding box from the not only for two shapes, but it's going to work for the single shape as well. I wanted to show you that you can use multiple shapes to do that as well. So if you actually rotate this as well, so right click, you can do for single shape as well. You can see, but for both shape you can also use this if you want to. So according to that, it's going to this bounding box is going to be fixed up. So here let me draw another shape because I apply on this shape. So from here you can see this rectangle properties, like I can go with the white. You can see I can actually scale this, and also I can rotate from here. This is a kind of properties you can get with this transform, and also I can add a corner radius from here as well. So if I double click here, or if I click here, you can see this is going to take effect for this shape. So also if I select this scale corner, so what if I scale it with this corner? So here you can see that if I decrease the corners, also going to scale. And also if I want to scale it with a stroke, so here I'm going to add a stroke to this shape. So I'm going to increase the size. So here if you actually going to increase or decrease it, so the corners also going to be a scale. So if you uncheck this one or this one, so I'm going to scale this now. So I'm going to use arrow keys that I'm using it now. So I'm going to increase or scale this one. So you can see that I uncheck this scale, strokes and effects. So here I'm going to put this 200. So you can see the stroke actually didn't scale because we actually didn't select this scale stroke. So if we select this according to your shape, your stroke is going to be scaled too. I think my laptop needs to connect to the power, so I'm going to end this video because we are done enough with the transform of our shape. So you are going to experience this transform with Adobe Illustrator while we are going to show you more designs in our channel. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something from this video. And if you think this video is really help you in your graphic designing career, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to press the bell icon on the subscribe button as well. So see you guys until next video.